This video is part 2 of how drop-downs can be used to make your workflows in Monday a lot more efficient. So in the previous video, I showed you how to take options from a drop-down and put them as separate line items in another board. So a couple of use cases around this could be products that you're selecting in a single board, and then you need those to be listed as separate line items for order fulfillment, or it could, another option could be project types. So if you selecting multiple project types to kick off various projects based on what is selected in the dropdown. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how we can create subtasks or sub-items specific to the options chosen within this board. I've got these columns in both these boards so you can see how it works in the back end. The typical view that you would use would be to hide these, so these would be considered back-end columns, and I've just hidden them via the hide function here. But for sake of clarity, I will show you exactly how this works. So if I select option 1 and option 2, firstly, you can see that it updates the status columns. Now, when I create the items in the other board, you will see that an option 2 and an option 1 have been created. Now, in option 1, I have option 1 task 1, option 1 task 2, and in option 2, I have option 2 and option 2 task 3 and task 3. So if I go into my automations, you can see that when an item is created, and only if my status, which you can see in the board, has pulled through from the other one, only if those are relevant, create the sub-items pertaining to that specific option based on the status as a condition within your automation. I hope this is helpful. Stay tuned for more top tips from mutherboard.com.